Hello, this is Dan Farisi, Group Editor, Commercial and Security with Emerald. So happy to be joined today by Tim Bigoness, CMO and VP of Sales with D-Tools. Topic of conversation is, of course, InfoComm 2024. It's only days away now. The excitement is building, and we're almost there. D-Tools will, of course, be exhibiting at booth C8257. I'm going to be checking it out, one of the most important booths at the show to check out if you're an integrator looking to run your business better. Thank you so much, Tim, for being here. I appreciate you taking the time.
Oh, thanks for having me, Dan. How you doing?
I am doing well. I always love catching up with you. You're a good friend, and I love talking about D-Tools because it's a company that really is going places and doing something that lies at the heart of what we focus on, which is helping integrators run better, more profitable, more successful businesses.
Yeah, I'm excited for the show and look forward, seeing all our customers and our partners. I've been with the company for about 18 years. This is a big show for us.
No doubt about it. So let's jump right in then. The business climate seems a bit uncertain these days, I think for a lot of different reasons. How's D-Tools business performed over the past several years?
Dan, it's been great. Despite the turbulence over the past few years, we've done surprisingly well. Our business has been solid, it's been consistent, and we've, introduced D-Tools Cloud a few years ago. Then, of course, with everything going on the last few years, we've been consistent, up about 20% year over year.
8% up year over year consistently is remarkable. I don't think there are very many companies in our industry, or for that matter, most industries that can talk about something like that. I think the key for that is probably your two software platforms, System Integrator, of course, SI for short, D-Tools Cloud is the other. Those lie at the heart of your innovation and your ability to serve integrators well. You want to talk a little bit about the differences between those solutions and how an integrator should know which one is right for his or her business?
You know, It's interesting. So the way that we've continued to evolve in the market is we try and do our best to really listen to the needs of our customers and how their needs are evolving and growing as the market does. While we have two very viable solutions, there are some differences. D-Tools Cloud, we've just passed over, there's over 2,000 dealers in the market using us now on that platform. And the differences we've found are that SI, which is our flagship product, is really meeting the needs of those larger system integrators through our ability to support multiple offices, our advanced engineering drawing capabilities, and the workflow that we're able to really customize to meet each company's needs. There's a high degree of customization that's available within SI, and as well as the need for very detailed documentation. So for those integrators that are doing complex jobs that require engineering drawings, a high level of sophistication, they're usually projects that are lasting, months to years, as opposed to, days to weeks to months. And so SI really provides that level of detail, documentation, and customization. D-Tools Cloud, on the other hand, is ideal for those commercial integrators that are more volume based. And it really does facilitate a high degree of accessibility. It's easy to use, it's mobile friendly. So our team will work with our customers to really understand their business, the way they work, and those needs, and then we'll recommend the right solution for them.
I think that the key point you made there, Tim, is that System Integrator, SI for short, D-Tools Cloud, they're two different solutions and they may have some overlapping benefits and features, but there can be one that might suit one integrator a little bit better. There might be another that might suit another integrator a little bit better. They're complementary in that way, insofar as one just might be a better glove fit for an integrator than another would be. That being the case, do you want to talk a little bit about the current status of SI, future plans for SI amid the continuing success of D-Tools Cloud?
Look, so we have two viable platforms that meet the needs of many of our customers, and we're developing on both of those. So SI continues to evolve. The roadmap is full. We're currently working on inventory management, a mobile app, improving our ability to support multi-office and multi-division customers. These are, big problems to solve, and we've got teams of people on each platform. Inventory and a mobile app, those two undertakings on their own are large, and we're working through those, and we're really excited about where it's going. We also continue to develop on DTools Cloud. It's a little bit more rapid development. We do iterations on the product probably monthly, whereas SI, the releases are about 3 times per year. And what's really interesting is to see the evolution of both of these products the time that I've been here. And I guess the best thing for us is when we come to the shows and we're meeting with our customers, and they come up and they said, "Oh my God, thanks for adding that to the platform. We talked about this the last show, and then I know you guys released it the next time." We try and make sure that we're really responsive to the changing needs of our customers. That's one of the reasons why we've been able to help companies become so successful using our solution. We try and listen, we try and help, and we've learned over the years, that it's constant, and it's constant work, and it's iterations, and it's continuing to develop the features that are going to meet the needs as their needs change.
Constant iterative process. You're 100% right. And I know that DTools is the kind of company that does listen and learn and constantly looks to evolve its platforms and its offerings to even better suit integrators' needs. With all of that in mind, and knowing you said InfoComm will be a very important show, not just for DTools, of course, but also for the industry as a whole, is there anything new at the show you want to highlight? Anything that people should check out when they go to the booth?
Well, we did just release version 21, and that's got a number of productivity features. We added dark mode, which believe it or not, it was one of the most requested features that our customers have asked for. Many integrators spend a lot of time in the application, and dark mode really helps relieve that eye strain. We've added some great bulk data management tools because really it's about managing those catalogs of products. It's managing the labor, it's managing the products with accessories and packages. So, we're always looking to improve how our customers can work with the products and the catalog that they work with every day. We've made some improvements to our quoting, of course, and we have this great new feature called submittals, which enables integrators to collate documentation. So it could have PDFs with links to products. We've got spec sheets, we've got installation manuals and drawings, and you can create a submittal with a couple of button clicks and provide all of that documentation for a project and for the customer. So that's really a much requested feature, and we're really pleased to be able to have that released as well. And of course, for those customers that haven't seen DTools Cloud, we're going to be able to show that and show the quoting, the multimedia proposals, our project management, our service management on that platform. So there's a lot to be excited for, and we've got a big team going, and we're looking forward to seeing everyone.
Well, I can't wait to see everyone as well. I know that booth C8257 is going to be filled with friends like you, friends like Jason Knott, Randy Stern, such great people working at DTools. I can't wait to check it out and see everything you have to offer, both on the SI front and on the DTools Cloud front. As you say, two solutions, two different platforms, developing and growing each one in parallel and serving integrators' needs.
Well, we look forward to seeing you, Dan, and thanks for having me.
Again, so happy to have been joined by my good friend Tim Bigoness, CMO, VP of Sales, DTools. They will be at booth C8257 at InfoComm. My name is Dan Farisi, Group Editor, Commercial and Security with Emerald. Please keep your eyes on commercialintegrator.com in the run-up to the show, during the show, and after the show for more exciting thought leadership content, product previews, product reviews, etc., from leading industry companies, leading vendors like DTools. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you in Las Vegas, and we'll see you back here soon. Wow.